मॉर्निंग बच्चे, वेलकम बैक अगेन टू माइंड मैटर्स क्लास 12th फिजिक्स। आज के डिस्कशंस में हम एक क्विकली केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस को ले लेते हैं। इस क्वेश्चंस में देखिए, आप एक पैराग्राफ आपको क्वेश्चंस में दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी। व्हाट इज पीएन जंक्शन, व्हाट इज फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग, व्हाट इज रिवर्स बायसिंग, हाउ आर द सर्किट्स प्लेइंग ए रोल एंड हाउ यू कैलकुलेट डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स of voltage, current and resistance, right? इसके बारे में आपको केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछा हुआ है और ये सेक्शन डी में आता है। आपकी 4 मार्क की क्वेश्चन है और 4 बिट्स में दिया हुआ है। ओके, तो 1 2 3 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस है विथ ऑप्शंस ऑफ कोर्स, बट ऑप्शंस भी आप तब कर पाएंगे जब आप करेक्टली उसको समझेंगे। तो देखिए, इस केस में क्या दिया हुआ है, एक पी एन जंक्शन डायोड्स कनेक्टेड टू वन रजिस्टर ऑफ 100 ohms and the connections you can see very well, this is in forward biasing condition, am I right? 3.5 volts की potential difference is connected. This positive side, this positive is connected to P and the negative is connected to N side, so obviously it is a forward biasing condition. Now 100 ohms is the resistance given here, and given thing also is barrier potential across D is 0.5 volt. 0.5 volt. Barrier potential के बारे में तो आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं इन थ्योरी क्लासेस। सो barrier potential is opposing potential, आप उसको ध्यान में रखिए because it is given. And question is asking in bit 1, what is the current in the circuit? What is the current in the circuit? तो आप देख लीजिए इसको क्लियरली। 3.5 वोल्ट्स एक्सटर्नल बैटरी से सप्लाइड है, बैरियर पोटेंशियल आपकी 0.5 वोल्ट्स है, सो इफेक्टिव पोटेंशियल आपकी कितना होगा 3.5 माइनस 0.5, so 3 volts will be your effective potential across this forward biasing circuit, am I right? So 3 volts is the effective potential and 100 ohms is the resistance. So 3 upon 100, 3 upon 100 will be your answer to the current. 3 volts upon 100 ohms will be the answer. In the options it is given there as 30 milliampere. So you can quickly find that one because 3 upon 100 ampere. So you can get it in terms of 30 milliampere as the correct answer for it. Am I right? Can you? Same way, look at the second case. Look at the second case. What is given here is 1, 2, 3 and 4 different diagrams for the PN junctions are given there with the potentials across the P and N differently given in the choices, right? Here you look at N is connected to minus 12 volt and P is connected to minus 5 volt, and question is asking in this second question, it is asking which one is a case of reverse biasing. So identify which one is a case of reverse biasing by understanding what is forward biasing, what is forward biasing, what is forward biasing, what is reverse biasing in the diagram. Quickly, of course. So look at here, P minus 5 and minus 12. That means it is on higher side, it is on lower side. Forward biasing. This is, tell me quick, 0 and minus 10. P on 0 and N on minus 10. Forward biasing. C. In the case of C, P is 0 earthing and N is plus 5. Clear? So this is your reverse biasing. Identify quickly. C would be your correct answer. Similarly, in the question of D, option of D, what is given there? N is plus 5 and P is plus 10. P is higher, N is lower. So this is also forward biasing. So this is forward biasing. This is forward biasing, this is forward biasing. C case, in case of the option C, This one is your reverse biasing. So correct answer for this you can answer. Similarly, in the third question of this, based on VI characteristics, we can classify diodes as options are given: bilateral device, ohmic device, non-ohmic device, or passive elements. Okay, so easily you can find out because you have studied already the PN junctions diodes or semiconductor physics. You have studied already the non-ohmic devices. How do you find the delta V upon delta I, V upon I, dynamic resistance and static resistance finding, everything you have studied already in the theory classes. So I am sure you will be choosing the correct option. Non-ohmic device. C is the correct one. In the OR question of that, question 3, OR question is given here that the PN junctions diodes, two PN junction diodes are connected in series, and which are the correct connections. In the question it is asking. I am not reading the question 100% for you. You read it from your question paper, simple question paper. So PNNP, look at this is not a series connection like the batteries, like pencil cells you connect, same way PNNP, this is not connected in series because N and N are joined together, that means it is not in series. But PN, so positive negative, so this is your series case, am I right? NP, so negative positive, so this is also a viable option, right? A series connection, correct series connection. So this option B and C, this one, both of these would be correct, you can answer. In the fourth option, I am not able to draw the diagram here. In the fourth option, finding the resistance and comparing the ratios is given here, right? That is I tell you exactly the question. Look at the question, right? The fourth one. The VI characteristics of the diode is shown in the figure. Is it? The ratio of the resistance of the diode at I equals 15 milliampere to the resistance at V equals minus 10 volt. Minus 10 volt is, options are given to you here. So delta V upon delta I concepts you will be using here, and from the slope you can find out the correct option. Am I right? So this is how the case study based questions of 4 marks will be covered. Same way, there is another question also on the case based, right? So you will be dealing that one, I hope, correctly, because when you are studying the case study based questions, the paragraph which is given there is to be understood very correctly and quickly as soon as possible, such that you can answer the 4 questions for 4 solid marks. Am I right? Thumbs up. Great day ahead. Thank you.